Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another quick Tinkercad video, so let's get cracking. Today, friends, the video is going to be a little bit of a shout out, and I've got a trophy that you can all snag. So, friends, first thing we're going to do is start here in my notifications. Friends, I love to click these every day and then see what kind of reactions I've got. You can see right here we've got a couple of copies. We've got a staff pick ready. Now, I always like to right click and check out your designs. If this is what your screen looks like, that means you have not made any designs public. Of course, I'll show that real quick in the video. I want to send a shout out to Mr. Blue Dodge. As I'm going to show you here, I'm going to check out their amazing designs. Whenever I do this, I always try and find something I have not liked before, like this cute gingerbread man. And of course, I love to give you reactions as well. Real quickly, we see another one here. This is from The Fungus. Gonna give him a quick look as well. When I visit the Fungus designs, I'm gonna switch to recent. I want to show you this one because this is so cool to me. It is a project similar to my Illusion, and check it out, Fungus took time to give me and Mr. Illusions credit. That is a super cool thing to do whenever you are inspired by other tinkerers. Friends, the final user I want to shout out today is Alphonso. Oh my gosh, Alphonso has taken time to react to so many of my designs. It absolutely makes my day. And the other part of this shout out is I saw Alphonso built a trophy case. He inspired me to make the like before you copy trophy. Friends, let me show you the steps to get there and how you can add it to your trophy case. So friends, the steps work like this. Obviously, find HLModTech. You can search the gallery or you can visit my website, HLModTech.com. If you scroll right down, this is my profile. If you search by recent, you should be able to find the Golden Rule of Tinkercad. Friends, I'm just trying to promote that the Golden Rule of Tinkercad is to like before you copy. So right here, you can copy and tinker the trophy. So of course, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to give it a reaction. Like, awesome, wow, staff pick ready. Keep going, take your pick. Once you hit that, friends, then you can hit copy and tinker and you will have your very own copy of the project. At that point, friends, because you are saying that you understand the like before you copy Golden Rule of Tinkercad, you can simply come over here and copy the trophy by doing Control-C and then switch to your Tinkercad dashboard. Notice I'm in my The Roar account. This is a personal account of mine instead of the other one. And once you've got that design open, because you did copy a moment ago, you can do Control-V and you can paste your new trophy in. At that point, bring your trophy over, hold down Shift to shrink it. I'm going to make it so it fits on the little board. I'm going to put it on the lower level because this is the easiest trophy to get. All you have to do is show that you can use like before you copy. Now I want to set it right up here, so I'm going to hit Work Plane and do D to drop. That way it's right on that level, and then once again I'm going to hold Shift and I'm going to shrink it down and then move it with the arrow keys over to the corner. Friends, there you have it. It can be your first trophy or it can be one of many trophies, but I call it the like before you copy trophy. One last item before we wrap this up. I am going to go back to the home screen. I did promise you I'd show you how to make a project public. You simply hit Properties, give it a description, give it some tags, move down to Public, and then because you don't want anybody to copy your trophies, go down and hit Attribution, No Derivatives. I almost always use no derivatives because I'm usually giving you a tutorial and I'd love to have you follow it and learn some cool skills. Once you're done, simply hit Save Changes. Friends, really quickly as I wrap up, don't forget when you visit my YouTube channel, HLModTech.com, right up here is a link to my webpage if you're hunting for it. And I want to remind you that you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment. The last thing I want to say is thank you all for making 2022 absolutely epic. I'm totally looking forward to seeing where we can take the channel in 2023. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Please also remember, if you take time to add a comment, it totally makes my day. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me. HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.